Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. I hope everybody's doing okay. Today we have like a cloudy day, it's gonna rain. We're expecting some rainstorm. So I hope everybody is safe. Let me know in the comments how is your weather in your area. Today we have an unboxing of Paintsomeway, a nice cross stitch. It's a silk one that I found. They told me to review this product. So to choose a product and for review. But before we do all that, I want you to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell, so you get notified of all the video. Unboxing is not the only thing I'm gonna be doing. But for now is what it is, because I just came out from a really health scare. So let's start. Don't forget to comment. All that counts for the algorithm. And let's see. Let's get to it. So we had this one. I'm gonna get it out of the package of this. Sorry about the crinkle, but what is crinkling in diamond painting and cross stitch is a baggage. It's part of the I get this one out. So here it is. This one is an 11 count and it's 82 by 62 centimeters. Sorry about the glare, but I need all the light I can get because it's so dark outside. So at the time of filming, here it is. It's beautiful. It's nice and pretty. It's an 82 by 62, 11 count. So we got over here, we got the instructions. This is from the, I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce it correctly, the Xiao company on Paintsomeway. Here are the instructions for cross stitching with some tips on how to maintain it, plus the embroidery, different type of stitches. Okay, over here we got the short. Okay, and it's here it is. It has, let me see, it has 54 colors. So one thing good about this short that I like is that big items like this, you can take it by section. Even though you're gonna have to later repeat the same color, it's best to focus in one area, because that way you don't go crazy, you know. And you still might miss something, but if you take a big item like this one, 82 by 62, and start doing one color all over the place, you're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss some places. That's no doubt about it. But this one has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames where you can do, and this is so colorful. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna have to move my Diet Coke because I'm about to pull the fabric. But you see, this is beautiful, and this helps you. And this is a good short. Good short. I like it because you can see the symbols and the colors. 54 colors. Huh? Let's see. I got another bag. Let's see what we got over here. Look at all this beauty. We're gonna take a look at it. We got a toolkit over here. We have 1, 2, 3 needles and a puff to put the needle, a needle threaded and a thimble. Maybe there's another needle in the, yep, there's 2 more needles in here. So that's 5 in total. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in here so it won't how you say it, it won't fall off of this, because I gotta be careful with Mickey. Mickey's he's not in the house. He's in his cage sleeping. I need him to sleep, because if I don't sleep for a whole day, he won't sleep for the whole day. He'll be here with me. Oh, what a boy. What a boy. So this is an 82 by 62. This is gonna be big, so I'm probably gonna have to show it to you by section. This is 311 stitches wide by 223 high. Here it is. It is serged all around. On the top it had this, but this avoids fraying. But it's serged all around, so you won't fray while you stitching. The fabric is white Aida, and it's kind of a little stiff, but not that much. You know, you got some blocking area. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Take a look at this, and you can see the definition because it has 54 colors. It's appropriate for the size. We got the product code over here. The rest I don't know because it's Chinese, and you got the chart over here, 54 colors. Okay. So here it is. Look at this, how beautiful. And all this in silk, you can imagine. All this in silk. There's a lot of stuff that I want to do in silk. Let's take a look at the symbols, how clear they are. There's a lot of blocking, but there's some confetti, for example, like in this place, but the symbols are very clear. Remember, this type of a schematic is telling you what the symbol is. It's telling you in groups, okay? Like, for example, this one. Here it is. That is this one. That's how they show the symbol. Okay. Like this one over here is this one over here. So you gotta, you know, be careful with that. but they are very clear and there's not a people smudge in this fabric, which is great. We appreciate that, and we appreciate the fact that it's serged. So let's take a look at this beauty, these 54 colors. What we got over here? Oh, we got extras. We have extra. Let's take a look at this extra. They have Paintsomeway is a budget-friendly company. They have diamond painting and cross stitches. They have brand new companies in cross stitches. One is this one. See how they have more silk variants. Okay. And here they are. Look how beautiful they are. How soft. How shiny. You got 4 extras in here. Extra hanks. And it tells you the color over here, the number. This is for number 40. Okay. Number 52. Number 24. And so on. This one doesn't tell me, but you probably be able to figure it out with the other colors. So it's beautiful. They are beautiful. It is a little, not hard. I won't say hard. You have to persevere in working with the silk. Right now I'm doing the flowers, the first one that I bought from this company. I mean, the first one that I reviewed from this company is a flower base, and I'm right now doing it, and as soon as I finish, I present it to you with some tips and tricks that I'm using so the thread doesn't come off from the needle that easy. Okay, take a look at these beautiful threads and these beautiful colors. Take a look at this. Look at all that shine. Look like golden thread, these ones. And all the colors, the beautiful color, because it's a color, very colorful cross stitch. You got flowers, you got the sky. Take a look at this, beautiful. You got the greenery, the cobblestone, the cobblestone streets. Here is the reminder, the rest of them. See how beautiful they are. Now let's see all of them together. Together forever. Take a look at this. All those colors. So as soon as I finish the silk one, but I'm trying to get ahead with the Ambilight, I probably should make a video, although that one is a participation with another collaborator, Stitcherella. So let's see how we do it. That one is big. It's 96. It's the biggest one. Although I think I have another bigger one on the horizon. But stay tuned. You know, you never know. Silky ones, they're shiny and they're gonna look good in your house. Definitely they're gonna look good in your house. They're gonna look in your house. So let me put this inside here. I should have put it inside the cloth, but it's okay. So this is it for right now. I wanted to take my time. Like I say, it's an 82 by 62. It's an 82 by 62. 11 count, but it's beautiful. Thank you, Paintsomeway, for this beautiful cross stitch. I give it a thumbs up to the company. Thank you, all my subscribers. And if you're not having subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Welcome to my channel. And thank you for watching, for keeping company. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. And be safe. Be safe and take care of yourself. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.